G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here for you today is the Wurth Graffiti Remover. I've got the Wurth Outdoor Graffiti Remover and the Interior Graffiti Remover. Now, if you tuned in last week, you would have noticed that I spray painted a bonnet. So we're going to go out in a minute with these products and we're going to remove that spray paint and bring the bonnet back to how it was originally. Now, Graffiti-EX, it's for use on solid surfaces. So any steel surfaces, glass, aluminium, things like that. So machinery, phone booths, bus stops, all that sort of stuff you can clean off. Colour bond sheeting, you can clean graffiti off on. How it works is you apply the product, you just let it soak in for a while, and then you just wipe it off. But do remember to use PPE, gloves and glasses. So let's go out and have a look. That's the Outdoor Graffiti-EX. I'm sure you agree, it was really simple to use and it cleaned all that paint and graffiti off that bonnet and now it looks new again. But I didn't talk about the Indoor Graffiti-EX. So the Indoor Graffiti-EX is extremely strong and powerful for removing graffiti, so paints, textures, things like that, from interior panels. They're a lot more gentle than, say, the steel panels outside, the plastic panels and glass panels inside. So have a look at Indoor Graffiti-EX. We also have, just as a side note, our Graffiti-EX Special. Now that's for cleaning upholstery. It's particularly good if you get chewing gum stuck into the upholstery and it dries. You can spray it on and clean off that chewing gum and any graffiti as well. So that's the Graffiti-EX range. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and Graffiti-EX, it's ready for work.